Hi everyone, Joana here. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to day 8 of the 30-day 100 rep challenge. Today we are doing an ab exercise for 100 reps. Actually, we're doing 50 reps on each side because we're doing side crunches. So we're gonna lay on our side, keeping the legs straight, keeping the body in one straight line, and from here we're gonna do small crunches or small pulses. Use the bottom arm for support, the other one goes behind your head, and get ready. Let's do 50 reps. Off we go. Twenty, 30, 40, 50. Oh, holy moly. Switch sides. I have just finished a heat Tabata workout that I'm filming for my online fit studio, and I'm already dead. And this mini finisher, this mini ab workout is just like the end for me. Oh, 50 reps. Thank God it's only 50 reps on each side. Okay, let's do 50 on the other side and we are done. Ready? Off we go. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3. 20. 30. 40. 50. That was 100 reps. Holy moly. Thank you so much for joining me for day 8 of the 30-day 100 rep challenge. Go enjoy your day. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, comment below, and I'm gonna see you tomorrow.